This DIY is focused on navigating the Instagram journey. I am showcasing some of my favorites. Hillary Rushford was my first webinar. Her ideas and brainstorming with the Dean Street Society are fabulous. The Design Twins are amazing home decor sisters who offer so much information on their blog. Jenny from A Clean Prism Life, along with her great friend Kelly from At Home with Kelly, host Decor Newbies. It's an amazing Instagram 101 class that teaches you all the ins and outs, lingo, and how to grow your account. My next favorite is Ashley Diana. She has an intense program that teaches you how to grow Instagram. Finally, Jenna Kutcher. She is real and focused on growing a business, and it can help you do the same. Make sure you grab Tailwind app. Their resources are insurmountable in helping you understand and navigating the social media world.